Hey guys, I'm back with another video. It just deleted my one I literally just made, but this video is a slime package, and I was right in the middle of it, and it just deleted it all, the whole footage. So yeah, so the slimes that I'm gonna review the slimes. So this one, well, this is a squishy, and you got a squishy, slow rising, very slow rising, and then this clear slime with little fruits in it. It's so pretty. Look. I need to add some activator to it. So I'm gonna do that real quick. This is 2 ounces. So, very clear when you stretch it, but once you play with it more, it gets non-clear, but you just need to leave it out a little bit. But yeah, and I'm sorry I haven't been posting a lot. It's just I've been with my granddad in Orlando for my sister's volleyball tournament. So, and I didn't have good Wi-Fi there, and so when I upload videos, and it's just not good. And yeah. Okay. Sorry about that back noise. My mom is talking to someone. This one's very good. This is sticky. And this did come late, like a month late, so, and I still have like 7 packages, so, yeah. I think that's good. So. I love that one. I was a little bubbly, but that's okay, you know. And the next one was this beautiful clear blue slime. It's very pretty. It's not so sticky, like, I don't know if it needs it. Yeah, I don't think it does. Actually, maybe just a little. So it's very, 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 very clear and very pretty. Both of them are very clicky, so that's the good part. Both of them are very pretty, that's the other good part. So yeah, okay. And the next thing that I am going to pull out oh, it's on the lid, it's so clear. Did I show you this one? Yeah, I did. This smells so good. Okay. Next thing I pulled out is an extra bag with, I can't see it right now, but it's a cute bag. And it comes with Warheads Sour Dip and Pocket Packs. I love those. And a whole buttload of borax. And it says, thank you for your order. Slime may come sticky or watery due to the fluid's and temperature. Orbit slimes and avalanche slimes and unicorn slimes may change colors or mix during movement while being delivered. Turn card over, seek slime directions. So yeah, it's just directions and all the good stuff. I love these. Can't go along with slime in your hair. I have slime in my hair. I can't go along with whatever this is called. Okay. Next thing is, oh yeah, I got 2 of these. Sticky. Okay. No. Oh yeah, shout out to Anna Smith, my best friend. She's been wanting a shout out, and she gave me a shout out. And go check her out. Her name's Autumn, but her YouTube channel is Anna Smith. But first do Kit Kat Meow Mix with K for Kit and then K for Cat, like KIT space KAT Meow Mix, and then it's really good. And then you go to her channel, and yeah, okay, this one kind of isn't really clear, but look. Oh, it's so good. It smells so good.